have to make sure that the ICT sector in Bahrain is represented by the best in GITEX. And we can say that during the last 9 years, we've been able to more or less achieve some quantitative results plus qualitative results. On the quantitative, the number of companies are increasing year by year, and the qualitative, we see more products and more vertical advancement in the ICT sector through representation of different companies.
The major thing that we have seen this year, we've been recognized as Bahrain as a good location to host ICT services and ICT companies. So we had visits from lots of international companies. We had visits from Arab countries, Jordan. We had visits from African companies like Nigeria, France, and Morocco, and many other countries. So that success contributed to a lot of interaction between these countries' private sector companies and also companies from Bahrain.
Yeah, we've met with two large customers, Dubai Petroleum and the Dubai Airport. We've already been called to a site visit for Dubai Petroleum, which we went to yesterday, and we're going to a site visit at Dubai Airport tomorrow. So business has already started from the show.
Well, it's been absolutely fantastic. I mean, we've actually presented our technical solutions at GITEX twice now, and this is the third time here at GITEX. Fabulous location, definitely had a lot more traction this year. And in terms of marketing our products, it definitely has been a huge success for Scylla.
We made 3 official signing agreements with the government of Saudi, and we had companies, ICT company from Morocco, and we have done a key partnership with the Bulgarian company. So yeah, it has been great this time, and we look forward to get some good potential out of it.
We managed to sign 2 deals with 2 major companies in the software development. So I believe in overall, the show is a success.
This is the second year we participate here at GITEX, and it's clear that the number of participants is growing. The exhibition altogether is much bigger and very interesting. So we're very happy to be here to see what's new and keep up with all the latest.
Digital Middle East participates now for the 4th time in GITEX. This is because we see the benefit of participating. This year we are aiming actually to introduce 2 products, and all these products will be available by next month, and hopefully we hope that it will be received well by the market, local market.
It's to give the image what Bahrain can do, what the technology we have in terms of that, and what that investment that we can get. Especially in Bahrain Pavilion, we can notice what's the difference between others. So it is more is all Bahraini company, and you can see a lot of technology that they have. And most of company are different. This is the thing what I noticed that in Bahrain Pavilion you can see different company are different than the others. So we have some technology, we have some for software, educations, and all of that. So this is I can feel it is a mixture of technology they have.
It looks so good, it looks so great, and I like how the organizers did a good job here, and the pavilion itself looks wonderful, and the amount of visitors we're getting. We got quite a lot of visitors and it's only the 2nd day. So it's been very good, it's a good experience, and I'm glad that we have come to the Bahrain Pavilion and we're part of it this year.
It's an amazing opportunity for my company to be exposed in Dubai. I really like the organization, I like the way the setup, and I think it's very helpful to my brand company.
We do plan, particularly during this time for the coming year, and we actually go back with a lot of new ideas to make sure that these ideas are implemented in our own business planning as well as what we plan for our customers.
We had a couple of customers coming in, and that the visit actually materialized into a deal directly on the table, which is something, kind of a golden egg, or which we call it, in terms of where a customer comes in, we have a discussion, we have an extended discussion the next day, and the customer goes back and we sign a contract to execute the project. So that, I would say, was part of the highlight of being here at GITEX.
Last year we were hectic, I would say. We thought that we need a lot of things to bring over here. But then this year we used you guys to help us, in fact. And we felt like we have the support from you guys, I mean, to bring us over here. Of course, not to forget Tamkeen and the support from their side as well.
We try to come here, but there are some hesitations how it will be cost and all. But once Tamkeen was supported to us and everything happened, it's like our dream come true. And we never thought we will be here, but Tamkeen make it happen.
Well, this is giving us, as a broad consultancy, a very good exposure to the international vendors, where we can bring more technology and bridging the gap between technology and people need in the Bahrain market.
I think it is very important, so we can get a lot of opportunity to know, let others to know about us. It's not easy to join this expedition by ourselves. So we need somebody to organize this kind of pavilions to Bahraini companies.
We received a very good response. We got nice inquiries from the Saudi mainly. We got some nice clients from Saudi, and very good exposure of our solutions. It's overall point of view, it's been a very good, and we're looking forward to doing this in the coming years as well.
We have done very good achievement this year, especially for our company, that we have signed an agreement with the Lenovo brand to be authorized service center. As before, we are only the seller for Lenovo, only we are enterprise seller for Lenovo, but now we are the authorized service center for Lenovo, and today we have signed an agreement with the Lenovo team.
This year we had many success stories, and we hope that next year we'll have more success stories. So it's an open invitation for the government, for the private sector, to join us in 2016 GITEX in Bahrain Pavilion. It's going to happen again in October 2016, and you are more than welcome to join us.
See you next year at Bahrain Pavilion at GITEX.
See you next year in Bahrain Pavilion at GITEX.
See you next year at Bahrain Pavilion in GITEX.
See you next year in Bahrain Pavilion in GITEX.
Expecting everybody to be in GITEX 2016 on the Bahrain Pavilion.
See you next year at Bahrain Pavilion GITEX.